Cummins Calterm 5.16 unlock advanced diagnostic control in modern engine. Maintenance, precision, and flexibility make all the difference. Cummins Calterm 5.16 offers technicians a powerful way to go beyond basic diagnostics, providing direct access to engine parameters and calibration settings that standard tools cannot match. With this software, users can monitor, adjust, and test live engine data in real time. This makes troubleshooting faster and more accurate, reducing guesswork and saving valuable workshop hours. Its advanced calibration capabilities also help optimize performance and fuel efficiency, ensuring engines operate at their best under different conditions. Built for professionals, Calterm 5.16 runs smoothly on Windows 10 and 11 systems, with a lightweight install size of just 7.24 MB. Despite its compact footprint, it delivers enterprise-grade functionality with a 2-year license, making it a reliable companion for long-term operations. Because it's been designed for global use and operates in English, technicians around the world can benefit from consistent, dependable results. Whether in a service center or fleet operation, Calterm 5.16 helps maximize uptime and extend engine life. Take control of your diagnostics today. Visit diagnostics.com to access Cummins Calterm 5.16.